If you've been longing to feel safer and more grounded in your own energy field, this month's sigil is ready to do that work with you. Let's do some magical crafting. Each month I create a magic sigil for you to use in your own magical workings. This month's intention is I strengthen my boundaries with loving protection magic. I magically craft the intention into a sigil. I turn the sigil into a small piece of artwork, and then I create a monthly satin drawstring bag for my sigil spell bag patrons. Creating a sigil is a focused, meditative act. You begin with a clear intention, a single true statement of what you want to call in, and you pour your energy and will into building the symbol. As the sigil takes shape, you can repeat the intention like a mantra, entering a quiet, focused state where your conscious mind steps back and something deeper takes over. That is where the magic lives. A sigil works because symbols speak directly to your subconscious in a way that words simply cannot. And for protection work especially, that quiet inner knowing is exactly where your boundaries are built and held. Here are 3 of my favorite ways to work with this month's sigil. You can draw it at the top of a fresh page in your journal, and beneath it write freely about what healthy, loving boundaries look like and feel like for you. What do you want to keep close? What do you want to gently release? Let the sigil hold space for that reflection as you write. You can draw or carve it onto a black or white candle. Anoint it lightly with an oil that supports protection, like rosemary or frankincense, and burn it during a quiet moment when you're ready to consciously strengthen the space around you. Or you can place a written copy of it inside a spell bag filled with black tourmaline, rosemary, and garden sage, a combination that supports protection, clarity, and the kind of loving boundaries that keep your energy your own. This sigil is yours to use freely in any magical workings you do related to boundaries, protection, and caring for your own energy. And if you'd like to receive the sigil spell bag in the mail, tucked inside a handwritten card from me, the link to join is in the description below. New bags go out every month to my sigil spell bag patrons, and I hope to see you there. May your energy feel like your own again. May your boundaries come easily and hold gently, without guilt and without apology. May you feel protected and at peace in your own space, and may this little sigil be a quiet reminder that caring for yourself is its own kind of magic.